Hello everyone, welcome back again and hope you're having a wonderful day as usual. And welcome to this new video. In this new video, we are going to learn about the AWS Cloud Practitioner Certification Overview. AWS, as we all know, stands for Amazon Web Services. It is a cloud offering by Amazon. Okay, so let's begin. AWS Cloud Practitioner's code is CLFC01. That is how Amazon Web Services names it. And then let us understand what are the various exam objectives available in this certification. The, the AWS Cloud Practitioner CLFC01 comprises of four domains, and those domains are cloud concepts, security and compliance, technology, and billing and pricing. While cloud concepts comprises of 26%, security and compliance is of 25%, technology makes up the rest 33%, and the remaining 16% is covered by billing and pricing. In together, it becomes 100%. Coming to the first domain, which is cloud concepts, here you are going to learn about the AWS cloud concepts, the basic cloud concepts, and the defining the AWS cloud and its value proposition, identifying aspects of cloud economics, and different cloud architecture and design principles. So the basics of cloud concepts and how they align to the AWS cloud service offering is explained here. Moving to the next domain, that is security and compliance, which is a very important domain because when an organization moves to the cloud, the data and information is on the cloud. So it becomes imperative and essential to care about the security and compliance. In this domain, you are going to learn about the AWS shared responsibility model, the AWS cloud security and compliance concepts, the access management capabilities. In the access management capabilities, you'll be covering the authentication, authorization, etc. And then you have identifying resources for security support. The next domain is technology. Technology, as we all know, is always important. In this domain, the methods of deploying and operating in the AWS cloud is covered, which covers the tools and technologies in the AWS cloud service offering. Apart from that, you are also going to learn about the AWS global infrastructure. Here you are going to discuss about the various data centers, zones, and the architecture of how the global infrastructure of AWS comprises of. Also, you will learn about the core AWS services and also you identify resources for technology support. Coming to the fourth and the final domain, that is billing and pricing. Obviously, it is very important when you choose to go into the cloud service offering, then it is very much important and imperative that you understand what you are going to incur the cost out of it. So what are the costs you are going to incur and what is the return on investment and what benefit you are going to get out of that. So there would be various service offering and catalog from which you can choose what services you require, and then the billing and pricing of those would vary accordingly. So here you are going to discuss about comparing and contrasting the various pricing models for AWS. Apart from that, you are also going to recognize the various account structures in relation to AWS billing and pricing. So, in brief, these were the four different domains and areas which are covered in the AWS Cloud Practitioner certification. Now, if you want to learn more, then obviously you could go to the Amazon Web Services website and search for AWS Cloud Practitioner certification, explore more regarding the syllabus and more regarding the exam in more detail if you want to know more. I can provide you some more information in terms of what is the duration of this exam, which is like 90 minutes, and what is the cost of this exam, which is like 100 USD. In US dollar, it's 100 USD. And if we take another example of INR, it is like corresponding to 8,000 Indian national rupees. So this is something in brief about the cost and the duration of the exam. So what are the benefits you are going to get if you do this certification? If you do this certification, because it is a foundational certification by the Amazon Web Services, and AWS has a very good market share in the global market in terms of cloud services infrastructure. Doing the certification gives you foundational knowledge and basic understanding of the AWS cloud service offering and model, and you could prepare well for interviews where you would be able to answer basic questions regarding the AWS cloud services, and also strengthen your understanding for various other AWS cloud certifications like the AWS Certified Solution Architect Associate or the AWS Certified Security Specialty, and many more. This was an attempt by me to cover various areas in brief regarding this AWS Cloud Practitioner certification, so that it inspires you or motivates you if at all you are interested in pursuing a career in Amazon Web Services or AWS Cloud, then it might benefit you. I hope this video was useful, and if you have any comments or feedback, please do let please do let me know in your comment section of the video. And you have a good time. Thank you. Have a nice day.